welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. NGOs from state lash out at CM for his assembly remarks on Gram Sabha, stating it has become a fighting arena. Won't allow regional plan by sidelining Gram Sabha, says GBA. Government moves on a snail's pace over amending Lokayukta bill as demanded by activists. Law Department still not issued directives. AG not aware about it. Speaker says it can be done anytime but no progress yet. MOPA steering committee meets at Secretariat. Work to begin from Gudi Padwa. Alekar says road alignments and land acquisition issues discussed during meet. Mapsa police recovers 2 bodies from TV railway track. Bodies identified as Sarika Pednekar from Pede and her 7-year-old son. Motive behind death still unknown. And Vasco-based Tilak Stadium looks set to become a hub of football under lights. Now the news in detail. NGOs from Goa have slammed Chief Minister for his assembly remarks on Gram Sabhas. CM had said that Gram Sabhas in Goa have become wrestling arenas. Goa Bachao Abhiyan has questioned the conduct of MLAs in the assembly. GBA also said that regional plan will not be allowed to pass without consent of Gram Sabhas. Pilen Nagrik Manch reminded people that CM used to praise Gram Sabhas during his Jan Sampark Abhiyan.
NGOs have launched an offensive against CM over his Gram Sabha remarks, especially CM's statement that Gram Sabhas have become wrestling arenas and hence he will not send regional plan for suggestion to Gram Sabhas. Goa Bachao Abhiyan convener Sabina Martins has also questioned on the decorum of Assembly House and Lok Sabha.
As far as referring to a democratic institution as a wrestling ring, I mean, the same can be said about the assembly also. And if you recollect, during Mr. Parikar's rule itself, they had bodily lifted one minister or MLA, Philip Neri, and taken him out of the assembly. Now, we have been seeing time and again that there is a breach of decorum in all these democratic institutions, whether they are the Gram Panchayats, whether it is the assembly, whether it is parliament. Now, because there is a breach in the decorum, it doesn't mean that we take away the powers of these democratic institutions.
Advocate Yatish Naik of Pilant Citizen Forum says CM has forgot the past. Yatish says CM once lauded Gram Sabha proceedings and after coming back to power, he is criticizing it.
Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, जे ग्राम सभेबद्दल उलयला की ते आखाडे जाता आणि म्हणून आपण रिजनल प्लॅन करता आसतना तांकां कन्सल्ट करचो ना अशें जे कितें वक्तव्य केलां तें वक्तव्य डेमोक्रेसीन सारकें न्हय. वी कंडेम what he has said that day, that we will not send it to the Gram Sabhas म्हणून, because Gram Sabha should be taken into confidence. I am not saying that everything that every member of every Gram Sabha says should be taken into account म्हणून. Ultimately, Gram Sabhaचे जे decision आसा, it has to be relied and it has to be examined on the touchstone of legality and merit. But having said that, it is not correct to say आम्ही Gram Sabha consult करचे ना आणि हे करचे ना ते करचे ना.
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Goa government has still not started work on with amendments in Lokayukta Bill 2013. The amendments passed in Goa Lokayukta Bill 2013 are lying with state government untouched. These amendments had come in the line of fire by activists demanding few changes in the clauses. During the debate on Prudent, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had assured that he will introduce required amendments in this session. But the silence on the issue has raised doubts about the inclusion of fresh amendments.
During the debate on Prudent, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had assured that he would introduce necessary amendments in the Goa Lokayukta Bill 2013 during budget session as sought by civil groups. Reliable sources from Law Department informed that they have not received any instruction from Vigilance Department to introduce new amendments in Goa Lokayukt Bill 2013, nor any process for amendment has been initiated by the department. When we contacted Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni to know whether government had any intentions of introducing amendments in the Lokayukt Bill, he said he has no idea. While Speaker of the Assembly Rajendra Arlekar said that government can introduce amendment in this session anytime. Session is of 28 days. Government has received draft of Lokayukt Bill from Aam Aadmi Party. Now all eyes are set on Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar whether he will amend Lokayukt Bill 2013 or elude it. Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
In spite of opposition from some sections, state government has decided to go ahead with Mopa Airport project full-fledged. Work relating to Mopa Airport will kickstart on Gudi Padwa. Steering committee headed by CM held its meeting on Saturday at Secretariat in Porvorim. Issues related to Mopa Airport alignment were discussed. Committee also took a stock of the land acquisition process till now.
Mopa's Greenfield Airport Project Steering Committee meeting was attended by Speaker of Assembly and Pedne MLA Rajendra Arlekar, Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, North Goa MP Shripad Naik, Land Acquisition Officers and others. After meeting, Rajendra Arlekar said that committee has discussed the issues related to alignment of roads to Mopa Airport. He also informed that land acquisition procedure is almost complete, however did not disclose the details of meeting.
The steering committee meeting काय issues असले थोडे alignmentaचे आशिल्ले रस्त्याचे थंयच्या approach roads towards airport बी ना ताजे पयलीं सगळें जाल्लें ताजेरय डिस्कशन जालें पण ते योग्य वेळार सांगतले ते.
North Goa MP Shripad Naik said that after 11th April, Mopa Airport work will be carried out in a phased manner by Goa government.
मोपा एअरपोर्टाच्या संदर्भात आज एक कमिटीची मिटींग जाली. त्या मिटिंगेक फुडलो प्रोग्राम जो आसा तो टेंटेटिवली सगळो ठरिल्लो आसा आनी ऑफिशियली जवळ जवळ 11th of April डिक्लेअर करतले.
Under the banner of Goikar, Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai, Congress MLA Alex Reginald, Panchayats from Salset and others activists have opposed Mopa's Greenfield Airport fearing closure of Daboli Airport. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Farari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.